Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So are you wondering how to turn your Amazon gift card balance into actual cash in your bank accounts? So let me explain. Firstly, bad news, direct transfer is not possible. Amazon doesn't allow direct transfers from gift card balance to bank accounts. However, there are workarounds. And of course, I will list them for you. So firstly, you can spend your gift card balance on products from Amazon, which is the most obvious thing to do. Sell the items online through platforms like eBay or Facebook Marketplace to get cash. Once sold, you can deposit the cash from the sale into your bank account. Also, you can use a third-party service like Raise or Card Cash to sell your Amazon gift card. These services let you sell your balance for PayPal or bank transfer. Be mindful of possible fees. In terms of important notes, make sure the third-party service is reputable to avoid scams. Selling items might not always get you the full value of the gift card itself. While Amazon doesn't support direct transfers, these workarounds can help you get cash from your Amazon gift card balance. Guys, if this was helpful, press like and subscribe. And of course, see you next time in the next video.